Sanibonani South Africa mahle. This is Busiso Mahlangu, your co-host on Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Namhlanje bafethu sikhuluma nge-Orlando Pirates and how they've done this far. Njengoba kuyi mid-season. We're going to compare them as well. Nokuthi from 2023-2024 season, 2024-2025 season, and this season ba-improve kangakanani or ba-drop kangakanani. So sizoyihlafuna mina no Javas. Asishafuli ringers intwana yami.
Ntwana sanibonani South Africa mahle. Yeah, hi. Injalo lento mid season after quite sometimes Orlando Pirates kuyiyo ezama ukupusha iMamelodi Sundowns. So it's good to see our league this year more competitive in terms of having more teams as a contender to go all the way to win the league. Although we know ukuthi Sundowns angeke nje ibeke on the silver platter, they are still a team to beat. When Antwana, they are the champions. They've been the champions for 8 seasons or 8 seasons in a row. Too many seasons. So angeke kube easy, but it's good to see the Pirates now they've managed ukuthi bathenga ama player because they were aware ukuthi lama season ay2 esibuya kuwo where baphume number 2 bashawa squad depth and basayinile mfethu squad depth sabo. I mean, I've done a lot of games ku SABC's Orlando Pirates where the players actually Pirates manje ama cheaters aqala ebenchini akusasa ama substitute ama impact players. So that's how Pirates has turned their team around. They have impact players from the bench. They won a lot of games coming from the bench. So it's good to see that competition in Twana. And for me now, I think Odo nae uqale very slow. Coach Wado. Yeah. Coach Wado. I think uqale very slow because the first 2 games he lost the first 2 games of the season. This season, and for me now the reasoning there it was he wanted to change everything immediately, and put these new players, same time, and backfire kule game and wabuya fast wabuyisa iko Orlando Pirates and then introduced these new guys gradual and they've gelled well. And Pirates intwana defensively bamnandi, offensively but dangerous kakhulu. So it's a complete team for me now, and it's a team that also deserves to win the league. Ubona kanjani mfana wena oring ngithini intwana?
Mina into engayisho ukuthi if Pirates lose the league, they'll have to blame themselves. They've got no reasons to lose the league.
This season, okay.
The lose is theirs to. I mean, the league is theirs to lose. Pirates mfethu defensively, if you check the stats, they're the best defense.
They're the best, yeah. Because
attacking,
but consider 5.
Attacking, they've got the best attack. In fact, their attackers, attacker besidlala ngawo bafana bafana. So it tells you that team yawona is strong kakhulu. It's strong kakhulu. They've been pushing the Sundowns and they've been building the previous years with the coach. What's the previous coach? Kamala Kubani.
Jose. Yeah.
They've been building, and then this season, even the fans of Orlando Pirates said sifuni league manje. Forget about and on top of that, ama trophies la wakhona manje aku Pirates.
Already, yes.
Alapha eScotland.
And then Leo bayenze from the previous coach they've been cup specialists vele. Only the league has
been missing.
Yeah, it's been missing.
So this season, the Pirates are my favorites to win the league.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
That's a big weight. My favorites.
My favorites to win the league. Mina if anyone else wins the league, ngizosho ngithi Pirates lost the league.
Oh, ngiyathola.
Because for mina Pirates intwana the most balanced team in the PSL manje.
And mdlalazi the way badlala ngakhona ne futhi abekho predictable.
Yeah.
Because ama center back wabo manje because iTLP akasekho sokusiyema nebhodlela
Yeah.
nopodlipodli.
Yeah.
ubhodli uimprovile naye ngepassing yakhe.
Yeah.
But when you check uCM ngama pass accurate from diagonal from the right center back akwazi ukudlala uApolice ngale. That boy mfana ama pass wakhe accurate. And mina ngokutshela iVAR I've seen him play no TLP. TLP we know ke passing it was something else also. You understand? But lentona le khona igame engayenza ngisakhumula bebadlala nani bapherile lapha. Ejo both players Umbokazi I think yeah Umbokazi he had like 10 diagonal passes and straight passes to accurate straight to the player without the play sokolo ukuthi kumele ilwise disk lentwana le that yona yenza 7 yama accurate pass and mina bengihlale ngisho ukuthi nje Umbokazi uye bekaphethe ivibe in terms of igama lakhe so lontwana le beyisitheka kancane but yeah beka noticeable bekhunywa ngaye kakhulu but lentwana limnandi kakhulu uSiyama. So why I'm saying this ukuthi iPirates manje iyakhona ukuthi mani bavalile mabathi beza ngecombination play bakushaye ngalama diagonal pass from their two center backs which sometimes ithola ama opponents ba flat footed because manje bayidlala behind the strikers and mawuthi uvala lapha ya or uvala lama central defender ukuthi angawakhiphi lama pass bayidlisa utshani
mawuthi uvala la
bavula le yeah but uthi uvala le usifare we understand so it's a very 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 difficult team chance to play against the Orlando Pirates especially this, that's why ngithi it's a difficult task to play Orlando Pirates. Angazi wena uyibona because mina into engiyibonile ebayedile this year. Last year they never used kakhulu ama central defenders to play those diagonal passes. You know they were more bayicale laphayana but manje they've combined wonke lawo ma situation into one thing so that in a game they can change 3 systems in a game. So that Leo team Leo it's dangerous. And I mean Apolis Muremi is also now is becoming consistent. I mean you still have Abunduli oqale naye obuya ku Stellenbosch oqale laphayana kuna ayibambile because uMakhawula bekasalimele but look at uMakhawula at his age he's commanding there and now Umfukeng is another player ongeke umazi ukuthi udlala kanjani talents yami lo muntu manje lo muntu unzima kakhulu lo mfana mina ngimazi njani umanzi lo mfana umanzi and all the players including ezamanye ama team noma kwamanje we focusing on Orlando Pirates they are pushing because of this World Cup. Yes, we have the core of the team. We know ama players as you as esisho ukuthi alawa na kanjani vela ku World Cup but players are raising their hands bafuna ukuzibona lapho. Umfukeng didn't play any game AFCON. Look at him now and now they play him uSipho simbona uthi ngaphandle okay uMaswanga yonokungena but unokucala ebhenjini but makalapha ya ku number 10 Gefar phula ama window
mara lento ikhulumayo mfethu World Cup it's a big point and I think that's the reason why we have so many teams that are pushing or that are contenders for the league. We have 5.
We have 5.
I think it's the World Cup Ntwana because players want to see themselves playing World Cup. So bakhuphule nabe standards sawa machita they are competing bazibonakalisa ukuthi baphetheni. So I think iWorld Cup now Ntwana played a big role kuwo wonke lama team lawo ukuthi kuze kube so ku league. The league is exciting. We said it mayisaqala season ukuthi there's AFCON, there's World Cup coming. So players phakamisana izandla and I think ama player that's what they are doing this season. They are giving us ama game amnandi. I was watching iPirates manje njengoba ukhuluma ngomfukeng mfethu Mfukeng no Apolis mfethu
nomuremi naye awuzwa ngithi
nomuremi mfethu
phakamisile ngenye indlela
yabona ama officers nale attack le uyezwa na ukuthi yabona namhlanje ngizotloga vele namhlanje ngisemsebenzini bayeza baba labantu bayeza
mfethu and manje baphethe ne striker yabona lo Mbuthuma ngithande from ku Richards Bay if I'm not mistaken bekayibamba i1 lentwana unzima lo mfana lo but okay usashota ngalobu clinical
Yes.
uyabona ungwana sesi naye angeke akushayela amagoli abhayi but makangenile uzothesha
Mm,
sho
yeah,
mama
yeah.
defender uyangunderstand ukuthi iattitude yakhe because uyambona ukuthi somehow asanga develop kahle ungwana sesi and he knows his strength and I mean lesasikhathi asadlala nonkota naye umfukeng nongwana sesi i-combination yalabantu he knows how to move
Yeah.
and create spaces for unkota no Mfukeng to get those pockets
Yeah.
and score goals even naye angakori but for me I still feel good he plays like a big role in that system and he understands his work and he understands the system and most important namajita lawa they understand ukuthi what kind of a
Kumele
player
badle kanjani.
kumele badlale naye kanjani.
I think futhi enye into mina that I pick up from that boy phela usesemncane lo mfana
Yeah naye usase ukuthi nje isibhamu
Ukuthi
senyoni.
muda ngithi bese siyakhona.
Yeah usukile egadeni ngesixhosa banga yeah umuntu omude bathi
Yabo?
usukile
So
egadeni.
he's a coachable player
Yeah
because if you watch him from the time he came at Pirates up to now
yeah
there's a lot of improvement.
big yeah big intwana.
So
big.
imagine if he was developed properly asakhula ayintwana because umuntu uyambona ukuthi he's able to take
Phil
ama
Masinga sort
instruction.
of type of striker. Phil Masinga sort of yabona type of striker where i-presence yakhe uyayifila bra.
So I say in the
I agree with you.
in the next 2 years you might see this boy adlala overseas.
No and you are my player overseas ke
Yeah.
la. Uzosuta overseas
Because
umfana.
umfana okhonayo ukulena loka improve end up being one of the best strikers esike sabantu.
I mean uyamthanda noMadala lapha kubafana and I've heard ukuthi sometimes noma secampini uMadala lento esikhuluma ngayo yokuthi we recognize ukuthi esani development lo esani imjumpile imshayeli uyangunderstand but sekadlala ku pro team enkulu bathi bekanoku uyamthipa sometimes makase squadini ukuthi mawubuyela eteamini please ngicela uimprove 1 2 3 4 5
Yeah.
and you can see ukuthi the boy listens and uyayenza lento ebamtshela ukuthi mfana khuphula because he has improved obviously umbuthuma njengoba ngishilo naye very talented player naye uzothi maseka adaptile kahle seka settled kahle I think he's going to score a lot of goals.
So just a question for you. Do you think it was a right decision for Pirates to release striker sakho ulo?
Umjita lo bamba ama-3 bombi 3 yamaqanda ebakagiji biyangishaya
Umabasa, yeah. Do you think it was
Mabasa
a good reason? I mean, Lontuzan's decision to release him. I'm asking this because these guys are challenging for the league. Umabasa, he might not be the player yaga coach Wadu. Mhlamba, he's not a bad player.
no
finisher,
he's a
that boy.
clinical finisher.
He's
Yeah.
a finisher. And now usele ngwana sesi usele ngombuthuma who's also now work behind the ears. Usele ngwana sesi naye uyaspana but he's not a finisher njengalomjita lo.
Yeah.
There are games la ubonayo ukuthi emfana we are searching for goals asiwatholi.
I think
Uyamlahlela huyo umuntu oyazi ukuthi yakhe he does not work hard aphume boxing but he stays in the box and he will finish for you. And we are challenging for the league. Urelease a strike esinjengalesi mina my opinion I think coach I don't know reasoning yakhe but I think he blanda ukuthi urelease iplayer enjengaleli lifinishayo uchallenger for a league.
yeah no yona nami ile angibamba as a surprise yabona especially ngale reason okhuluma ngayo you need to have at least 3 strikers top strikers and obviously all those strikers they'll give you different dynamics as a game because obviously also games are different and teams are different they will want a different player for this game you will want uMahopa because of uzo bulldozer the defense for Lena udalaba akusi team efuna uMahopa in terms of akusi team ecala ibhola from the back so you don't need someone ozo bulldozer they play route 1 what so udinga finisher nami ile yangisha as a surprise but when you look at Orlando Pirates I think maybe the other we don't know the reason but nami I'm just my opinion ukuthi it's maybe foot is because the Orlando Pirates this Orlando Pirates team all the midfielders all the players they can score and they score different players every game. So I think that also, to have that in your team, I think that's a big advantage. Because you know normally ukuthi ama-striker ma uyi-striker vele ama-defender umsebenzi wakho ukuthi wena kumele ungakori, but when you have all these other midfielders who can come where the strikers can make those runs and disconnect the opponents, ama-opponents mawagijima ne-striker, because i-center back isipani sakho kwenza sure ukuthi i-striker score. That's why i-striker masikorile sidlule la ku-center back uyawubona ma-center back uyahlanya because uyazi ukuthi esani bekakumelanga. But now when udlala i-team njenge-Orlando Pirates, that's why maybe they saw ukuthi we have the luxury to release such a clinical striker while we challenge for it, because the whole team has goals. I think that's my opinion on based on Umabasa.
No, that's yeah.
Because if they didn't have that, I'm sure they were gonna keep him Kangan. But now they've got goals everywhere. They've got goals everywhere, Joe.
Yeah, no, Mpana, yeah, no, Pirates, I'm saying it again, guys, this league is yours to lose.
I mean, angazi ufuna ukuchecka improvement yabo
from 2023 season
until mid-season up until now, because
Bami kanjani, I know that
because nabo they've been improving. Noma bebalibeli ba the shortfall for winning league, but in terms of the overall team, they've been improving defensively and also offensively.
So this time of the season,
manje
mid-season, in 2023-2024 they had 20 points, and then last year 2024-2025 season they had 29 points, and then this season they've got 32 points midway through. So there's been a great improvement from 2023-2024. It's 12 points improvement. They've been gradually improving, so which is a good thing. And in terms of goals, they scored 15 goals in 2023-2024 season, and then last season they also scored 15 goals. This season they've scored 20 goals. And this season they've conceded only 5. Last season Pirates, so the 2023-2024 season, ama-stats wabo yafana. They scored 15 goals and they conceded 11 for 2 seasons. That's what they did mid-season through. But this season, big improvement, especially at the back. Bavulele only 5 goals. So if you don't concede, you win the league. The strikers will win you the games, but the defenders, they will win you the league.
That's good, guys, and it's good to see our teams. I mean, PSL is a very exciting league, gents. I mean, some of our games, especially like Derby or other big games, you know, that's how brand yethu as Betway Premiership seyinkulu ngakhona, yabona ama-Europeans manje sebayi laba futhi abamnandi abahlakaniphile sebayayifatela, yabona. So big improvement lapha na ku Orlando Pirates, because kuke kwaba newari encane nje njengoba announce le deal yaka Mbokazi ukuthi uyavaya because beka solid kwaba ngathi. But what do you think? Because I still feel ukuthi uBhodlela nalentwana uSiyema, I must not forget mfana this young Ndaba. Hayi makancane. Phela manje ubone ukuthi Pirates chance ama-signing wabo bantswembu jo. Uhodo uye beka operator, and the second how many years old is just over 30, I think. He's still but a very important player, very hard-working player, very disciplined player, une impact enkulu whenever he's playing. But now they realize isikhathi phela siyayo. Angithi ukuthi sekaphelile or sekamdala. Yes, ukhulile ngeminyaka, but he's still a very important player, because lo muntu ugijima ukushayela ama-game ayi-3 in a row ama-90 minutes nama-120 ngathi akusinex. Uyangandastand? Ngathi intwana encane enhleke, yangithola. So ubalulekile, it's a big player, but babonile ukuthi no, Ndaba naye let's introduce, and look at that boy. Mfana ngisi-defender bengiyi-midfielder, hayi mara le ntwana nyencane, hayi mnandi. Ungene waklika njengeglove, and he understand his role. He understand when to overlap, to add numbers, when to defend, and he understand ukuthi his primary a position or work ispan sakhe kahle is to defend first.
Yeah.
And he does that very well. What's your take mfana ngondaba? Yes, uFan Royen naye ngale whenever he's been given a chance, naye is a hard runner. Unabumako ukanje ushoti, but hey, no, very solid. Yeah, uyangenelela. Yeah, wakenelela. Yeah, wakenelela ntate. And then you check Umbatha futhi naye emidlilini, nalentwana le uNemtanjela, whenever he's playing or he come from the bench, naye he's like dala dlaleli Pirates ufike wajela kamnandi. Angisakhulumi ke ngama-winger, we spoke about them, abo Police nabo Mremi. I mean, even player like uKabelo Dlamini mfethu, sometimes even Umbule, we see him ahlele standing. That's how difficult, that's how i-competition when high ngakhona ku Orlando Pirates. But ngifuna just nje ngalintwana undaba ntwana uyibone kanjani, because mina
a very good player, and he's one for the future now. Very good player, one for the future. I think the reason maybe why he plays ahead of Uhocho currently with the way that they are playing is because of his understanding of his role and Mara overlap. He knows when to join and he knows when to run, when to stop, when to play combination passes. That's the difference between him and Uhoto. Uhoto is a hard worker, He's a hard worker.
yeah, 4 pipe. Yeah, 4 pipe.
Yeah, he's a runner.
Yeah.
That one is a thinker. He knows how to play football. I can rely.
Yeah, I understand.
He
Oh.
knows how to read situations.
Yeah.
He knows when to join. He has a police or I need to overlap. Makamele army, I'll touch, I'll rotate. He can do that. So he understands football, and I think he's one for the future for Orlando.
And then Sipho Chain naye mfethu, the way he defends Orlando Pirates gents emagamini amaningi is strong kakhulu. I mean, some of the games mangimbhekile mfethu kuphela 90 minutes angadivanga.
Showcase.
And ile nto beyinokwenzeka ku-Ronwen, the
Ku-Ronwen,
way Sundowns
yes.
be strong
Yeah,
kakhona.
yeah.
Manje uRonwen uyadive this season. Yabona, but siyeza kuleyo. But sengikhulumela uChain mfethu.
Yeah.
He's commanding that defense very well. So, and he's been tested. Angeke yena sithi, I mean, the season abuya ku, he's been tested.
Yeah.
While the Pirates may really improve. I mean, you spoke about the stats from 2023-24 season until now.
Yeah.
There's improvements, even defensive. So he's also a player that I feel ukuthi naye kubafana. Yes, uRonwen number 1, but I think now it's about time uMadala kumele trust in big game and put him, because he's number 2. You must trust him. That's my opinion. Yes. I'm not saying mele uRonwen angasadla, but I'm saying now currently for me now that boy must start for Bafana.
Yeah, no, he's doing well, Ntwana.
Yeah.
He's doing well. We deserve a chance, just like any other player deserve a chance. He's proven himself that he's a very good player. So yeah, naigamela ukuthi naye attest to at a bigger stage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think he's ready for that, me personally.
Yeah, he is ready. He is ready.
Bafethu. Yeah. Busafuna ukuthini?
Yeah, ngifuna ukuthi le issue le Ntwana yelo Ntuzane and lento le mfana yang I don't know, ngi-torn in between. Yes, teams are competing for the title, but we've got a World Cup coming. Ne? We've got players we Bafana that are currently not playing.
I think ngiyathola.
So now what it does is, if these players continue not to play in their teams, going to the World Cup, sizo struggle kakhulu and affect Bafana kakhulu.
I think khona episode esizokhuluma ngayo related to lento ekhuluma, but it's a very big thing and it's affected na ku AFCON, by the way. Sibone lapho kahle kahle lento le yaslimaza as a country.
Because now it forces the coach to bring in new players.
Exactly.
Who don't even know how Bafana operates, who don't even have the experience of playing at that level. Whilst the players that have pushed out for the past 4 years are sitting now, they're not playing.
No, sizoyihlafuna mfana leyo. Yeah, nakanjani. Sizoyihlafuna bafethu. That was Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis, Shuffling Tiski Ringers. Vandag besiringa ngebhakaniya. Yeah, and please ibhakaniya bafethu yeah liyashisa. And again before sivala quickly what's your talk besilapha yana anyway or Amstel Orlando Amstel Arena, but look at the first game after renaming.
Yo. Full house, bro.
Chance angeke. South Africa EJ. That
Yeah.
is South African football, Charlie.
Yeah.
South Chance after they're in, and imagine that win and the quality le ntwana lezi ezinikeza ama fans we Pirates and also in South Africa as a whole. Imfana esigodini kuyoba nzima ukufacana ne Pirates from now on ukuya phambili. I know bekulibele kunzima, but this renaming and this game, the first game,
Yo.
it just took them to the next
Kwenye
level.
ne?
Yo, ntwana bengishake TV ngithi wow, because I used to play instead Stadium esigcwele kanje awuthiyami. That's why vele ngithe mangasadlalela iChiefs with all due respect mangidlalela lamanye ama team engiwadlalele angena crowd bengistruggle nami.
Yeah, bucake.
No, I'm telling you, I'm not angikhulumi kabi ngama team because ama number awekho because mina ngikhule ngidla ngibukelwa i90,000 80,000
Yeah.
every week.
Yeah.
So it's beautiful. Well done to Orlando Pirates supporters or fans. Keep it up, Bafethu. This is good advertisement for our league. That was Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis, shuffling Tiski us and Bafethu. Ningakhohlwa to continue to subscribe, share, hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates as Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis. Adios, Tanko.
It's a rap, Ndwana.